Understanding the Collector's Guide, a journey into the world of collecting. Hello and welcome to today's session. We're diving into a fascinating subject, the Collector's Guide. This guide is not just a book or a list. It's a key that unlocks the world of collecting. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, understanding a collector's guide is crucial. So, let's embark on this learning journey together. A collector's guide is essentially a roadmap for collectors. It includes detailed information about certain items, such as coins, stamps, or art. These guides serve multiple purposes. Identify. They help you recognize various items in a collection. Value. They often provide an estimate of the item's worth. Authenticity. They can offer insights into distinguishing genuine items from replicas. History and details. They delve into the backstory and finer details of the collectibles. Why should anyone use a collector's guide? Well, it's all about knowledge and authenticity. With a reliable guide, you can be confident about the authenticity of your collection. You understand the market value of your items, which is crucial for buying or selling. It's a fantastic way to learn and appreciate the history and craftsmanship behind each item. Using a collector's guide effectively is an art in itself. Here are some tips. Choose the right guide. Make sure it's updated and from a reputable source. Understand the terminology. Guides often use specific jargon related to the items. Take notes. Keep track of your own collection and compare it with the information in the guide. Engage with the community. Join forums or groups to discuss insights from the guide. The Collector's Guide is more than just a book. It's a companion on your collecting journey. It enlightens you about the worth, history, and authenticity of your treasures. Remember, a true collector values the story and the significance behind each item as much as its material worth. We hope this video helps you in becoming a more informed and passionate collector. Happy collecting and see you in the next one!